our first stop, where the magic happens for our healthcare administration students. It's all about learning the ropes and jumping into action.
Hey! Brooks, Kaylee, what brings you here?
We're on a special mission today to discover the diverse world of population health at Utah Tech. And of course, we couldn't do that without visiting the one place where our healthcare administration gems, like you, shine the brightest.
Always the charmer, aren't you, Brooks?
And speaking of shining brightest, being here in this hospital, partnering with Utah Tech, it's a golden opportunity.
Absolutely. My internship here was eye-opening. It's not just about learning the theoretical aspects, but actually applying them, making real-time decisions, and witnessing the direct impact on patient care.
That's something I've noticed as a student. The hands-on experience is unmatched, and it's all thanks to Utah Tech's strong connection with community partners, like Intermountain Health.
The demand for skilled professionals in healthcare administration is soaring. Every day at Utah Tech is a step closer to becoming that professional, thanks to the real-world exposure we get.
And that's the Utah Tech advantage, isn't it? Tailored programs with community partnerships that help create pathways to lead our students directly into in-demand roles.
Exactly, and it doesn't just benefit the students. The hospital gains a workforce that's well-educated and ready to hit the ground running.
It's a win-win, shaping the future of healthcare one Utah Tech graduate at a time.